Hi guys, I am Melissa and today's video is going to be a hair tutorial, and it's at that stage in my life now that it just does whatever the fuck it wants. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to revive or revamp your curls. This is 3-day-old curls. I would advise that you use a heat protectant first. And if you don't know me by now, I am a hardcore fan of Yvette Excel, and she's been repping this little wand for a while now, and I got this for Christmas as a gift. Basically, it's an easy clamper. There's an on and off switch right here. I have it on right now, so I'm not going to touch the barrels or anything like that. It does have a hard curve, as you can see. There is a locking mechanism as well, so if you want to open it, there's an open right here, open and then lock. Right now it's on lock, so if you want to unlock it, you just hold the clamps together and you click open and it'll open up very easily. Very easy to use. I have not used this clamp at all, but they're all the same. You just clamp, let it go, clamp, let it go. And the first setting is high and the second setting is low. So I'm gonna put it up on high. It's already all the way up. So yeah, I always put it on high because my hair is thick and curly and I wanted to get the waves without having to stay there longer than I have to. So I'm just gonna be very, very messy with this. I'm gonna pin my hair, get about half of my hair down and the other half up. I'm doing. Make sure you have a clip with you because you're gonna need a clip. Right now I'm just gonna take this portion right here and start clamping. Let me just put my mirror over here so I could see. I'm probably gonna leave this here in one section of my hair for about 10 seconds and just keep on clamping until I am done with the strand. And when you're clamping, you want to make sure to keep on coiling your hair back a little bit so that it keeps the shape, because if you stretch it out, it's going to stretch out the curls that you just created and it just defeats the purpose. As I'm doing this right now, I already see the shine in my hair coming back to life, because my hair is still pretty clean, but I still want it to last a little bit longer. And the white stuff on my clamp is powder. My makeup, my baking powder fell and I got all over my stuff. Ooh, so pretty. So far, this is what my curls are looking like now, and this is what my curls look like before. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my hair and this is the end product. I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see the back. That's the back of my hair. It feels super, super lightweight now that it's like this wavy style. And it looks super shiny, but it could be because I had some curl defining cream in my hair prior, but I absolutely love it. I do have shorter bangs towards the front of my hair, so it kind of looks a little uneven, but I can always switch it up. Let's check it out this way. Ooh, I like it. This is the end product. Like I said, if you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Do whatever you feel like doing. I will see you guys in my next video. I can't wait to film another video for you guys. If you guys like these types of videos, just let me know. Send me a comment, show me some love. Follow me on all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. I am mostly on Instagram and on Twitter now. I haven't been on Twitter in a while, but I've been catching up on Twitter lately. But yeah, hit me up and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.